Well, it's finally here, my last day in Australia. Now, as I mentioned in the last report, Leanne Christie, the owner of Ovation Speakers Bureau in Sydney, and her husband took me to dinner. We started with drinks at the top of the Sofitel Hotel, then on to one of my favorite dining experiences in my life, Mark Restaurant. This place is phenomenal. Now, you don't eat off the menu. The chef prepares what he desires and brings it to your table. In fact, they give you the menu at the end of the meal. If you would have told me that duck eggs and pigeon figured in my all-time favorite meal, I never would have believed it, but thank you, Leanne, for the great evening and the great dining experience. Well, all my bags are packed. I'm ready to go.
All my bags are packed. I'm ready to go.
By the way, did you ever think about, that's redundant, I'm leaving on a jet plane. I'm leaving on a jet. I'm leaving on a plane. I mean, you wouldn't say I'm leaving in an automobile car. Anyway. It's the last day. I'm headed to the airport. It has been an absolutely awesome, fantastic, impossible to describe, great experience here in Australia. Thank you for joining me on these short little videos. I really appreciate it. Now it's off to the National Speakers Association convention in Anaheim, California. Really excited to see all my friends, excited to be on the main stage there with our real-time program on Sunday night. It's going to be awesome, and I'm glad you're along for the ride. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sharing these memories of Australia with me. So it was into the cab through the streets of Sydney on the way to the airport, but it was obvious I was not riding with Taxi Terry. This is what winter looks like in Sydney. Not bad, huh? And when I got to the Sydney airport, it's pretty amazing. It's more like being in a shopping mall when you're there in the International Center. Everything from Victoria's Secret to Ralph Lauren to Bally. But one of the things I've never seen before in an airport, an Apple store. Way cool, huh? And it was on to Delta Airlines for the 15-hour flight back to LAX, and here we go.